MBA एज्युकेशन चॅनलमध्ये आपले सर्वांचे स्वागत आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 इन प्रॉब्लेम सेट 2, प्रश्नसंच संग्रह 2 मधील 10वे उदाहरण. प्रणाली अँड प्रसाद स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग टू द ईस्ट अँड टू द नॉर्थ रिस्पेक्टिव्हली फ्रॉम द सेम पॉइंट अँड ॲट द सेम स्पीड. आफ्टर 2 hours distance between them was 15√2 km. Find their speed per hour. प्रणाली आणि प्रसाद हे पश्चिम आणि उत्तर दिशेला एकाच वेळेस सारख्या वेगाने निघतात. 2 तासानंतर ते 15√2 किलोमीटर एवढं अंतर त्याच्यातलं असतं दोघांमधलं. तर त्यांचा वेग काढायचा आहे. So we draw the diagram. This is the starting point. Pranali goes to north and Prasad goes to west. So distance between them is after 2 hours 15√2 km per hour. So this becomes right angle triangle. Let speed of Pranali and Prasad be x km per hour. For hour means HR लिहिलं. Time 2 hour. Distance formula आहे time into speed. So 2 into x, so 2x kilometer. So AB and AC gives distance 2x kilometer. In right angle triangle BAC, by theorem of Pythagoras, AC square equal to BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. Here BC is a hypotenuse, so BC is 15√2 bracket square equal to 2x bracket square plus 2x bracket square. 2 square 4x square, 2x means 4x square. 15 square is 2 to 5, 2 25 आणि रूट 2चा वर्ग 2. So 4 4 8 x square, so 8 divided by, so 2 to 5 into 2 upon 8. 2 1 जा 2, 2 4 जा 8, 2 to 5 upon 4 taking square root. X is equal to root 2 to 5 upon 4. 2 to 5 is the square root of 15 and 4 is the square root of 2. So 15 by 2 means 15 चा half 7.5. So speed of both Prasad and Pranali is 7.5 km per hour. दोघांचा तासी वेग होता 7.5 km per तास. In question number 11, this is an important question. In triangle ABC, angle BAC equal to 90 degree. BL and CM are medians of triangle ABC. Median means BL divides side in equal part. CM also divides AB into equal parts. So prove that 4 into BL square plus CM square equal to 5 BC square. In triangle ABC, angle A equal to 90 degree, BAC equal to 90 degree. So this is right angle triangle. By Pythagoras theorem, BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. Equation number 1. Here BL and CM are medians, so median divides segment AB and BC AC. So AM equal to half of AB and AL equal to half of AC. Equation number 2. In right angle triangle BAL, हा जो right angle triangle हे काटकोन त्रिकोण आहे तिथं by Pythagoras, BL square equal to, BL is hypotenuse, AB square plus AL square. Equation number 3. Similarly, in right angle triangle, ACM means MAC, angle A 90. So by theorem of Pythagoras, ACM square equal to CM square equal to AC square plus AM square. Equation number 4. Adding equation 3 and 4th. So BL square plus CM square is equal to AB square plus AL square, AC square plus AM square. So from equation 2, put the value of AM and AL. AB square, AL is half of AB bracket square from equation 2. So AB square 1/2 means 1/4 AC square. AC square 1/4 AB square. So BL square plus CM square. Multiply on both sides. By 4. So we are multiplied into bracket BL square plus CM square because we use left hand side for common. So this is a 4AB square. 4 ने मल्टीप्लाई के लिए कैंसिल हुई AC स्क्वायर. दिस इज अ 4AC स्क्वायर यानी 1/4 ला 4 ने मल्टीप्लाई के लिए तो फक्त AB स्क्वायर रहे. So 4 into bracket BL square plus CM square. 4AB and 1AB gives 5AB square. 4AC and 1AC gives 5AC square. So we common take 5 AB square and AC square. So 4BL square plus CM square is equal to 5. From equation 1, BC square equal to AB square plus AC square 1. So we take the value is BC square from equation 1. So we prove that this 4 into bracket BL square plus CM square equal to 5BC square. Question number 13. In triangle ABC, AD perpendicular BC, CB, DB equal to 3CD. Prove that 2AB square 2AC square plus BC square. So equal to CD plus BD. This is betweenness B dash D dash C or C dash D dash B. So CD plus BD equal to 3CD given. So BD is value 3CD. This is 1 and 3 4CD. BC equal to, so CD equal to 1/4 BC. This is the value of CD. In right angle triangle ADC, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to, this is the hypotenuse, AD square plus CD square. So AD square equal to AC square CD plus here minus, so AC square minus CD square, equation number 2. In right angle triangle ADB by Pythagoras theorem. In right angle triangle ADB by Pythagoras theorem, AB is hypotenuse, so AB square equal to AD square plus BD square, DB square. AD is from equation 1. Here AD square equal to AC square minus CD square. AC square minus CD square. BD is given 3CD bracket raised to 2 given, and from equation 2. So AC square minus CD square, 3 square 9 CD square. So AC square plus 9 minus 1, 8 CD square. This is the AB square. AC square plus 8 into equation number, this is the equation number 1, CD is equal to 1 by 4th, BC. CD equal to 1 by 4th BC bracket square. So AC square plus 8 into 1 by 16 BC square AB square. So AB square equal to AC square plus 8 to the 16, 1 by 2 BC square. So multiply by 2 AB square, 2 AC square, 2 cancel will, no BC square. So we prove that 2 AB square equal to 2 AC square plus BC square. This statement is proved.